Subscribe Dr. Sadiq Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
D square plus a square of y, that is equal to tan ax. D square plus a square of y, that is equal to secant ax. So far we learn e power ax, sin ax or cos ax, x power m, e power ax into v or x power m into v. Now if we observe the right hand side functions tan ax or secant ax, okay friends, how to solve such type of differential equations. Very important and interesting topic, concept and problems on method of variation of parameters. What friends, today we discuss method of variation of parameters. Let us see the concept. Method of variation of parameters. Let the linear differential equation of second order. What friends? Here we discuss linear differential equation of second order. Please remember here. What is the order friends here? Second order with constant coefficients. What is the coefficients here friends? Constant. Let us see the differential equation form friends. D square y by dx square plus k1 dy by dx plus k2 y, that is equal to f of x. What is order here friends? 2. Okay, once again the differential equation form is d square y by dx square plus k1 dy by dx plus k2y, that is equal to f of x. What about k1 and k2 friends? K1 and k2? Exactly, k1 and k2 are constants and f of x is function of x. F of x is function of x. Now I want to find solution of such type of functions friends. Okay friends, I want to find solution of such type of equations. Let us see the working rule friends. Working rule. So the first step 1 is find the complementary function of equation. Okay, let the complementary function be y is equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2. Okay friends, first of all here also as usual friends, what is complete solution? Complementary function plus particular integral. So whatsoever get the form, say the form is like say c1 y1 plus c2 y2. Okay friends, it is constant, it is in the in terms of x friends. Whatsoever the function say, let us say if there is e power minus x, what friends, e power, simply say here if there is a c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power minus x. Now what is y1? What is y1? E power minus x. And what is y2? Say plus 1 friends. y2 is e power plus x. Okay, c1 y1 is e power minus x and y2 is e power x friends. Suppose if I write here c1 sin x plus c2 cos x. Now what is y1 here? Exactly, y1 is sin x and y2 is cos x. y2 is cos x friends. Okay, our finding complementary function, we know y1 and y2 values. Later step 2, we simply differentiate friends. Let us see. And then find you y1 dash and y2 dash. That means here dy1 by dx and dy2 by dx. Okay, you find differentiate of these two functions friends. Later this step is very important friends. This step is very important. We are finding here Wronskian of y1 y2. What friends, here we are finding Wronskian of y1 and y2. What is the definition of Wronskian of y1 and y2? Let us see the formula. Wronskian of y1 y2, that is equal to determinant of y1 y2, second row y1 dash y2 dash. We can simply remember, friends. We can simply remember how. So let us see. It is determinant. Okay, you first write y1 and y2 and simply differentiate of y1 and differentiate of y2. You simply expand this determinant, then you got the value of w. That means Wronskian of y1 comma y2. Okay, once again, friends, Wronskian of y1 y2 is equal to determinant of y1 y2. Okay, whatsoever the value get here, you write y1 and y2, and second row is simply differentiate of first row, friends. First row, then you get Wronskian or w value. Okay, step 4 is this step also very important, friends. Very important. Particular integral. Okay, here we have formula, friends. This you have to remember this formula. So what is formula? Minus y1 integral of f of x y2 by w into dx. See here, in complementary function, we get here. Come on, tell me. First we get y1. Okay, so that you write here first minus y1. You join minus sign here. So minus y1 and then integral of what is f of x, the right hand side function, friends. F of x into y2 divided by, you find here, you already find here w. So write w into dx plus, you already finished y1 here, friends. So that you write here y2. See here symbol sign plus, friends. So plus, please remember, plus y2 of integral of f of x y1 by w into dx Once again, friends, we simply remember this particular integral formula, friends. First you write with y1 negative sign, and the inside of the integration you just write f of x y2 by w into dx plus second term starts with y2. Okay, integral of f of x y1 by w into dx. And please remember here, friends, we just evaluate this integration, friends. Okay, this is outside of the integration. You write as it is, friends, whenever you solve the problem. Okay, we just evaluate this integration only. Okay, this is outside of the integration. You don't touch this y1. You don't take inside, friends. It is wrong. Okay, please remember. And then step 5, you know, friends, what is step 5? Complementary function plus particular integral. Just join these two, add these two, we get the complete solution. Okay, already observe in given example, friends, what we discussed there, tan ax or secant ax. So we have note here, this method is useful when f of x is one of the form tan ax or secant ax, cot ax, secant ax. Whenever you observe these functions, what, friends, whenever you observe these functions, we can apply the method of variation of parameters. Once again, friends, what is the differential equation form, friends? Here, what is the differential equation form? Simply d square y by dx square is second order linear equation. So plus k1 dy by dx plus k2y, that is equal to f of x, friends. F of x. So here it is second order linear differential equation with constant coefficients. I want to find solution of this equation, friends. What is step 1? You first find complementary function. Okay, in complementary function, whatsoever you get here, say it can be written as c1 y1 plus c2 y2. What is step 2? You simply differentiation with respect to x, dy1 by dx, dy2 by dx. Okay, and then third step is Wronskian of y1 y2 is determinant of, first row is simply write y1 y2 and second row is differentiate of those functions. Okay, if you expand this determinant, then you get w, friends. Now I want to find particular integral. Particular integral we can simply remember. What is order y1 y2? So first you join negative sign here. Okay, minus y1 integral of f of x y2 by w into dx plus Second term friends, y2. You first write y2. Okay, integral of f of x y1 by w into dx. What we have to remember here, we just integrate this functions only. This is y1 is outside of the integration, so you don't touch it. We simply evaluate this integration. Okay, right. And step 5 is we known, everybody known, complete solution, that is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. When it is applicable friends, when the function, the right hand side function is tan ax or secant ax or cot ax or secant ax. Okay, this is about concept friends. Let us one small problem on method of variation of parameters. Solve the differential equation d square plus a square of y, that is equal tan x. In 2015 friends, this problem also very important, very important problem friends. Let us see the solution. Here also, what is complete solution? First step is complete solution friends. Complete solution, that is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. You always highlight the formula friends. So first subheading is complementary function. Complementary function. It is already in symbolic form. So you write here auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation? D square plus a square, that is equal to 0. Okay, here we get d square is equal to minus a square. This can be written as I square a square. That implies d is equal, we get here plus or minus ia. Plus or minus ia. So it is like friends, alpha plus or minus I beta. What is alpha value? Alpha value is 0. Beta value is a. Beta value is a. So what is complementary function here? E power alpha x. E power alpha value is 0. So e power 0 into x into c1 cos beta. Beta is a. So cos ax plus c2 sin ax. C2 sin ax. So this is the complementary function. What is our solution form here friends? C1 y1 plus C2 y2. C2 y2. So what is y1 here? What is y1? Cos ax. What is y2? Sin ax. You first find Wronskian of y1 y2 friends. Wronskian of y1 y2. So Wronskian of y1 y2, that is equal to determinant of, what is formula? y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash, that is equal to determinant of y1 is cos ax and y2 is sin ax. Cos ax sin ax y1 dash, derivative of cos ax, we get here minus sin ax into again derivative of ax is a, so we get here a sin ax. Y2 dash, we get here a sin x, derivative is cos ax. You expand the determinant, that is equal to a into cos ax, we get here cos a into cos square ax. Minus into minus, in the formula we have minus into minus plus, so a sin ax, we get here a sin square ax. So taking common a here, cos square x plus sin square x is 1, so finally we get w is a friends, w is a. Now what is particular integral formula friends? Particular integral formula, I already told you how to remember particular integral formula. So first we start with y1 with negative sign. So minus y1 integral of f of x and y2 by w into dx plus come on, tell me here, y2 integral of f of x y1 by w into dx, that is equal to, what is y1? y1 is cos ax, so we get here minus cos ax integral of f of x. F of x is tan ax, friends. F of x is tan ax. Tan ax. Y2 is sin ax divided by w is a into dx plus y2 is sin ax integral of f of x is tan ax, y1 is cos ax divided by w is a into dx. So that is equal to minus cos ax by a is constant, so right outside of the integration, so a integral of now see friends here tan ax sin ax, so it can be written as here sin ax, friends, sin ax. Already we have sin ax, friends, so it is going to be written as sin square ax divided by tan x means sin x by cos x, so we get here cos ax into dx plus sin ax, a is constant, so right outside, integral of this sin tan ax can be written as sin ax by cos ax into cos ax into dx. See here friends, cos x cancel, so that is equal to minus cos ax by a. This sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square ax by cos ax into dx plus sin ax by a. Integral of sin x, friends, integral of sin x is minus cos ax by a, friends. Okay, integral of sin ax is minus cos ax by a because the x coefficient is a here, so write it by a. Okay, that is equal to minus cos ax by a, that is equal to minus cos ax by a. See friends, here I want to separate these terms here, so 1 by cos ax is secant ax, 1 by cos x secant ax, so bracket integral of secant ax minus we have minus here cos square x by cos x, in 1 into we get 1, friends, so that we get here cos ax, so cos ax into dx, bracket close. What is next term here? If we have minus a, friends, so sin ax cos ax by a square, so minus sin ax cos ax by a square, so that is equal to minus cos ax by a integration of cos secant ax, friends, so we get here log of secant ax plus tan x by a minus integral of cos ax is very good, sin ax by a, bracket close, minus sin ax cos ax by a square, so that is equal multiply, friends, simply multiply, we get here minus cos ax log of secant ax plus tan ax divided by a into a square, a into a square, minus into minus plus cos ax sin ax by a into a square. So cos ax plus sin a into sin ax by a square. Now we have minus sin ax cos ax by a square. Now if you observe the terms here, friends, if you observe these two terms particularly, we have plus sign here, we have negative sign. So these two are cancel, friends, cancel. So finally we got the particular integral as that is equal to minus cos ax log of secant ax plus tan ax divided by a square, This is the particular integral. So what is complete solution, friends? Y that is equal to what is complementary function? See, friends, here c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. Particular integral is minus cos ax log of secant ax plus tan ax by a square. So which is the required solution of given problem, friends, Once again, friends, we mainly observe here tan ax. So whenever you observe tan ax, we can simply solve this problem by using method of variation of parameters. What, friends? By using method of variation of parameters. Whatsoever the problem here, linear differential equation, what is complete solution formula? Complementary function plus particular integral. As usual, you find complementary function. Okay, you first write auxiliary equation that is equal to 0, y quotient that is equal to 0. We get the roots here, d is equal plus or minus ia. So you compare with basic formula alpha plus or minus I beta. There is no alpha, friends, so alpha value is 0. And what is beta value? Beta value is a. So what is complementary function? c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. By using the concept, what is complementary function form here? c1 y1 plus c2 y2. By comparing these two, what is y1 cos ax and y2 is sin ax. You first find Wronskian. Okay, Wronskian. What is Wronskian formula? Determinant of y1 y2, y1 dash y2 dash. Okay, that is equal to, you substitute those values and expand the determinant, you get a. What is Wronskian value? A. And then you write particular integral formula. Okay, we simply remember, friends, what is particular integral formula here? Minus of y1 integral of f of x y2 by w into dx plus y2 integral of f of x y1 by w into dx. You simply substitute y1 y2 f of x w value here and here, and we apply some basic formulas here. We get the required particular integral and add complementary function and particular integral, then we get the complete solution of given problem. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Okay, friends, hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.